So welcome to Ocean Beach, California. And this is I thought I'd start here at a place called Dog Beach. And this is on the far northern spot of Ocean Beach. And when you go across there, you actually run into Mission Beach. And I've made several videos down here before, so this is going to be nothing new. But I really like coming down here, so I thought I'd come down here, explore around a little bit, see what's going on. Plus seeing all the dogs, just love seeing them. And it is a very rough day out there, as you can see in the surf. So what I plan on doing, maybe I can walk along there, we'll see how the surf is, and then make my way up toward Newport Avenue. But you can see the break wall that kind of divides it between Mission Beach and Ocean Beach. And then further up there, you run into Pacific Beach, and then you're going into La Jolla, and so it's, you know, quite a few miles up there though, but not from here. And it's a Saturday morning, so a lot of folks out. Let's go see what's heading down this way. And oh, you got a good view from here. Now I'm not going to be able to go on the Ocean Beach Pier because it's going under some type of renovation, so that's going to be a no-go. Wow, that's some pretty good sets. Almost want to break out my wetsuit and go out there and hit the surf. I got at least to be 4 or 5 footers or more. That's a good view right there in the beach. See a lifeguard tower. So if you've made it this far in the video, let me know in the comments what you think about this beach. I mean, this is I wouldn't call it a typical San Diego beach, but it's one of the more better ones around. Now, obviously the real nice ones are up around La Jolla, Torrey Pines, but I do enjoy coming here. And like I said earlier, I believe this is about the 4th video that I've made of this area, so I mean, it's nothing new. Oftentimes I repeat videos, especially if I like going to the places I like to revisit, and this is one of them. Now when you go further south over there, and I'm not going to hit that today, I've actually made a video over there. When you go around there, you start running into another beautiful area called Sunset Cliffs. Beautiful coastline. Maybe I'll go down there and make another video. I've made like 3 of them down there too. I mean, like I say, I mean, if I love the spot, I just keep coming back. Oh, look at that. I mean, you can see. Wow. That's gnarly. There's surf coming up. Kind of show you where I came from. Good walk though. See how they got to really build up the berm. I mean, if you don't, this water will go all the way inside to the road. This is like, I believe it, you know, the tide, you can see where the high water line is, so you know it goes further. Okay, this is right in front of the OB Hotel over there. I'll take a walk up here on Newport, which is right over here. Got some background music there that might affect the video. Lifeguard station. Typical day here at OB. Now OB is kind of like a hippie town in a way. Yeah, I think I can go up there part of the way. We'll take a walk up there in a little bit. Okay, here it is. Ocean Beach Fishing Pier. You can see the renewal project. That'd be a good walk to go down there, but won't be for a while. Show you on the south side. Yeah, so you go around there, and yes, you will run into some of the most beautiful coastline in San Diego. Look at these little cottages. Probably can rent them. That's what I'm thinking. Or maybe they just, you know, people just live in them permanently. Could be. So it's just me and the pigeons now. Obviously they're used to seeing people. I'll show you where I came from. All the way up there. You can see not this break wall, but the second one. And then over there, that is Dog Beach. And then I'm just taking my track along the beach. And now I'll make my way over to Newport. That's an interesting street. Line up here on the avenue. That's some interesting. Pretty good. Peace to you. Oh, happy Saturday to you also. It's a beautiful day. Get away from that rain for a few days, huh?
Yeah, we got fresh rain.
But that's good, you know. San Diego needs some rain. You know what I mean? Can't be dry all the time. I'm a YouTuber, so. You're gonna be famous. I'm a vlogger. You know what a vlogger is, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. You folks have a good day, huh?
You too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they used to sell this. They got right on the beach. Here's that hotel again, OB Hotel. I don't know how much it costs to stay there. I imagine it doesn't. You know, this season right now probably wouldn't be all that expensive. Being, I would call it, you know, the low season. Interesting places here on this drive, or avenue actually. I could use a stop for coffee somewhere though. It's like a coffee, no, taco shop. We'll kind of go down one side, go down the other, maybe hit a side street. It's got to be in like an old theater, you know, something that's been around for a long time. It's called the Holding. I think you have to have a entry fee to get in there. Now give me a thumbs up if you've been down here to OB. And you know what, actually Saturday is probably one of the best times to come down. I mean, I've been down here during the week and it's you know, it's not that bad, but nothing compared to, let's say, when they have some type of a street festival. And if you recognize any of these places, you know, let me know. Oh, this place is coming up here. You're gonna like this, but I won't be stopping there today. But it's called Hoodad's, and it's one heck of a burger place. Some of the best burgers in San Diego can be found right there. I love this VW. This is a icon here that actually matches up to this place so well. What do you think about that, huh? Got the surfboard on the top. It belongs to Hoodad's. There's always a line to go in there too. This is Hoodad's right here. Check out the menu. Like I say, some of the best burgers can be found here. I think it's even better than In-N-Out Burger, and that's just my opinion. That's a look at all the stickers from everywhere. Okay, I'll give you a pretty good view from this side of the street looking over there, and then when I go to the other side I'll do the same thing. It's kind of like a little pan shot, because sometimes it's hard to see everything from the sidewalk, and you can see the style of the buildings too. And this one is the most interesting one, and I'll get to that one in a minute. I mean, like I say, they really take care of this place. You got these nice murals, paintings along these buildings. Gotta love this. Big American flag. Yeah, dedicated to the servicemen and our fallen heroes. Absolutely love it. Yeah. You know, one thing about down here is there's not too many what you call franchise places. You know, this is all like mom and pop business down here. Okay, another pan, just a little bit further up the road here. I mean, look at them. Okay, I'll go slow. And you can see. I'd love to go in there, but I have to be a guest. That is a hostel, by the way. It's called the Samsung. I think it's been around forever. At least since the 60s, I believe. It looks like this used to be an old theater too. I mean, called the Breeza. You know, turned into a store. Let's see what they have inside, shall we? A lot of beach stuff. Oh.
I'll remind you of your daddy and mommy.
All San Diego. Try to get a pan from here. I got some background music that usually turns into copyright, so not sure how well that's gonna go. Sometimes they actually close this road off, and I've made a video of it before when they have the they have this thing called a chili cook-off, and that really is one of the best things down here when they do have it. It's like once a year, I believe. Look at all these shells. Probably all from around here. OB. Okay, what is it? 3 for $15. Not bad. That's starfish. Good gifts. Put them on the coffee table, you know. Look at this place. Not sure what it is. Like a furniture shop slash, yeah, like beach furniture. That's nice. How neat is this? Put that in front of your house. Get this old magazine. Who's that? Marilyn Monroe? Yeah. Put that on the side of your coffee table. Oh yeah. That's an interesting one too. Oh, these are like antiques. Okay. Antique. This is Nico's taco shop. Got some of the best tacos here. I've actually had them there before. Very nice place to stay and have lunch. Another trinket store. it looks like. If they make any money doing that, I'm not really sure. See, we'll cross over the place to have lunch at.
Being weird upside down, so you get the eyes and everything of the crab, but it's like it's just all real.
Can't go short with the Mexican food. Although I was down in Tijuana, that's got to be some of the best Mexican food around. Like a shawarma place, I think. Okay, I got to show you this painting too. Time I see a painting, I got to put it in here. And then you come to the other side. 50th year of the pier. See, I wonder what year that was though. Oh, is it 1966? Not really sure. I'd have to look it up on Google. Interesting when you put stuff in here like this. Oh yeah, I've been to the street fair. There it is. Chili cook-off, the one I just mentioned. It looks like an old-time place. It's like some counter space right there. Okay, check out some of these pictures on the wall or signs as they look like. Like some old school stuff, you know what I mean? Look at that one. Unattended children will be given espresso and a free kitten. This is where it looks like when you sit down. Right here. Nice little counter. How about that? This is called 1950s style dining. Or 60s. Look at it. Now that was a real treat stopping by there. The old townhouse. Again, classic 1950s style dining. And if you really want that experience, you can find it right here. Awesome breakfast. Make my way back to the beach. You know, it's simple, 20 bucks. Okay, here is the Samsung again. I'd love to go in there and check it out, but not gonna happen, I don't think. Definitely got to be a guest to stay there. Barbecue house, bar and grill. Definitely worth coming down, especially today. I mean, you come down here during the week, well, it's a little bit slow, but you get all the action, you know, today. Gotta like this. Iron art, I call. Okay, back to actually right at the beachfront. I think it's time to make my way back home, but it's been a good time here at OB. So if you like this content, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya.